What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a case from a company called Supcase. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now, this is a very popular case amongst smartphones, and this one is for the beautiful Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, and we want to protect this bad boy so that it does not get messed up, you know what I mean? So I'm opening this box here. Great presentation by Supcase. I wanted to thank them for sending this over. Great company. Check them out in the description. Also, hit that like button. That's right. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Now, this is a full body protective case. This has a SPen holder and a kickstand, so it's got everything, and I believe it's even got a screen protector built in, which is awesome. Let's see what color we're gonna get. This comes, I believe, in 4 different colors. Let's go ahead and unlock our Galaxy Z Fold4. So let's see what, ooh, we got that gangster green. Look at that, huh? Whoa. Now the pin will go in there somewhere. And then we're gonna take off this for the screen. And this has a little thing on both sides. So you get a built-in screen protector, which is cool, you know, because maybe you don't want to put one on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, but hey, and then you got your hinge here, full protection there, and then you got your kickstand here in the back. You can easily snap and use so you can view your stuff. Now, the S Pen goes inside here, so it's a pretty cool little feature that you can kind of just drop it in here, and then voila, you got your stuff. So let's go ahead and pop this into the case. I always hate how you have to put these in. They don't make it so easy. I think I'm gonna go from the top and then snap it into the bottom, which seems to work with most cases. There you go. And then we'll put it in the cover screen. Unicorn Beetle Pro. I'm telling you this. These, yeah, this is nice. You know, Unicorn Beetle, they really do protect your devices really well. Great company. You guys got to check them out. Thank you so much for sending these out. This is an outstanding case. It's bulky as hell, but man, you got full body protection. You have an SPen holder that you don't have to worry about it being out or anything like that, like on the back or on the side or awkwardly here on the inside here. You got the kickstand. I mean, you get everything. I mean, your protection is, your screen is totally protected on the big screen here, and then on your little screen here, you got great lip protection, no problems there. I mean, everything's protected, your ports, everything. Then if you want to get your pen, kind of just pop it out. That's why they have this little opening here, you know, where it says Samsung. But then you get your pen out, and then you can boom, write a little note. But before that, you can whip out the kickstand on everybody, like yeah, like that. You can do Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, like so. Very easy. And if you want to come a little higher, you can. If you want to write like this, but I personally, I like the low rider action. You know what I mean? I like that low rider action. So, but let's check out the price on this. Now, it's $89 from Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. I got that green or the golden. You got the Rudy red, the tilt blue, and the black. They have 4 different colors, and you're looking at almost close to $100 for a case. But I'll tell you what, this case has everything. I mean, you can put your pin in there. I mean, that's actually a good idea, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's actually smart. That is really smart. And then you got your kickstand here, which is great. Goes back in. It is bulky as hell, though. I ain't gonna lie. It is bulky as hell. The buttons are good here on the sides for your volume. You know, you have access here to your power button there for your fingerprint. I think when you close this, I guess you have to hold the hinge. Because if you don't hold the hinge, let me show you what happens. You close it and the pin stays open. So, but you could just close it like that. It's not a big deal, but yeah. Unicorn Beetle Pro. Don't you know? All right, man, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. You know how we do. Let's get the pin out. The pin out you cannot get out while you have the screen open. So you got to get it out, pop it out like you want it, and then close it like this, and then you're good to go. You can write here. You can write like that. However you want to do it, you can do it. But that's it. Unicorn Beetle Pro, $89. That's expensive, but hey, you know how we do. Peace.